too wobbly.
It's too wobbly? Should I fix you? Whoa! Should I let you go?
Yeah.
Whee! I like it. And you say, hello, camera.
Hi with the camera.
What are you doing, Olivia?
I'm just hanging around.
I'm just hanging around. Where are you at?
I'm at the park.
At the park. Who were you with? Monkey. Hey. Hey, you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Hey. You crazy monkey. You crazy monkey. Is it almost bath time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we gonna have so much fun?
I want to go home.
You want to go home and play in the bath?
Yeah.
Okay, we can make that happen. Say sayonara.
Sayonara.